Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update your phone, your Android phone to Android 8.5. Right? So first thing you have to do is make sure your phone is either charging or it is above 50%. So once your phone is below 50%, you have to charge it. Yes. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone settings just like this, and once you open up your phone settings, you are going to scroll down all the way to software update, which is right here. Click on that and you're going to see download and install. You can see that. Click on that, and once you click on that, you can just go through to see all the changes that you're going to witness once you update your phone to Android 8.5. So they said you're going to have new filters and home and lock screen, new downloadable wallpapers, more customizable clock fonts, and enhanced weather width and direct voice mode, your weather alarm background, time zone converter, and many more. So once you do that, you can just click on download right here and it's going to start downloading. Once it's complete to 100%, it's going to restart your phone and you're going to have all these things they said it's going to updated, and your software is going to updated. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.